Is your Microsoft Store acting like a broken vending machine, spitting out errors instead of apps? Don't worry, we're going to get your Microsoft Store apps back up and running with some quick and effective troubleshooting steps, starting with the built-in Windows tools. First, let's dive into the settings. Click on the Start button, then select the gear icon for settings. Once settings is open, click on Apps, and then choose Apps and Features. From the left-hand menu, this will show you a list of all installed applications on your computer. Now, find the Microsoft Store application in this list. You can use the search bar at the top to find it quickly. Once you've located it, click on it, and then select the Advanced Options button. This will take you to a screen with more specific settings for the Store app. On this Advanced Options screen, you'll see a few troubleshooting options. The first, and often most effective, is the Reset button. Clicking this will reset the Microsoft Store app to its default state, which can fix many common issues without deleting any of your installed apps. Go ahead and click Reset. You might see a confirmation prompt, so accept that. After resetting, if the issue persists, try the Terminate button. This forces the Microsoft Store app to close completely. Click Terminate to ensure it's fully shut down, and then try opening the store again. If those steps didn't quite do the trick, we can try clearing the store's cache, which is like wiping its temporary memory. We'll do this using a simple command. Press your Windows key and the R key together to open the Run dialog box. Type WSReset X into the box and press Enter. A blank command prompt window will appear and then automatically close, indicating the cache has been cleared. Once the command prompt window closes, the Microsoft Store should open automatically. Give it a moment to load now. Try downloading or opening an app again to see if the problem is resolved. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you should have your Microsoft Store and its apps working smoothly again. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips.